welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Today is kind of a shopping day for me. Last night I prepared twisted pasta with honey garlic chicken. I added a few things. You know me. I don't mess with the recipes from the expedition unless I absolutely have to make a substitution, because an ingredient I can't get. But the ones that are not part of the expedition, yeah, I'm going to mess with. I added corn, I added peas, and I added a bunch of spices and herbs. It's just, I kicked it up, and it was really, really good. All those are in the notes, in the recipe. So again, that was twisted pasta with honey garlic chicken. And I added a little more honey than they call for, because I don't measure my honey. Honey's too sticky to measure. And that's just my thing. All right, tonight, we pick up the culinary expedition with Germany. A lovely country. I've been there. Very beautiful. I'm going to try the German Frikadellen, which translates to simply meatballs. Yeah. I'm actually going to be serving a couple other things with this, and I'll get that when we go over the morning mise en place. But this looks like a fun one. So let's go. Got the hardware out. Saute pan for the frikadellen, the medium saucepan for egg noodles, and I'm going to be doing a honey glazed carrots. The frikadellen calls for I'm doing a half recipe here. 1 slice of day-old bread. So this is a piece of brioche or brioche style that I stuck up in a cabinet and got it all nice and this gets all broken up and soaked in milk. It calls for 2% milk. I only have whole milk in the house, when I do have it. So ground beef, ground pork, onion. Because I'm halving the recipe, it says half an egg. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but I have an idea. But it calls for half an egg. Garlic, oil to cook these with, and this is the fun part. Mustard. I'm using Hungarian paprika, marjoram, ground mace, and parsley. It calls for fresh parsley. I'm going to use dried. So I'm going to be picking up some extra egg noodles, but egg noodles, carrots. The carrots will have some butter, honey, and salt and pepper, blah, 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 blah. So these are the goodies for today's culinary expedition. Next week's menu looks really, really good. I'm doing a few more not vegetarian meals. I'm just calling them veggie meals. One of them is a bok choy that I fell in love with as soon as I saw it. All right, so on this Saturday from Germany, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.